I think it's really important that patients recognize themselves as experts, that because they are experts in living with the particular condition that they're living with. And what I would advise them is to try and bring that angle to the processes, and not to become an amateur researcher. There's lots of researchers who will be assessing the research as well, but to be that voice of the patient living with the condition in the process.
Since I got involved with MS Ireland and the Upasha course, I've been diagnosed for 6 years now. I really feel like I've had lots of opportunities to get involved with medicines research and design that I really never expected that I would, and I've found that the people that I have engaged with, for example the H4A, have been extremely open, and the communication has been two-way. So I would encourage any patient who feels that they have something to offer, that they should just see what's out there, get involved. And for me personally, I'm very passionate about side effects, about the reporting of side effects, and I'm also quite interested in clinical trials, clinical trial retention, how they're conducted, the success of clinical trials. And obviously at the end of the day, I'm a patient and I really care about this, because when I go to bed at night I still have multiple sclerosis. I can't leave it behind. So it's something I think that we as patients can really use the energy that we have to in a positive way to work with researchers.
Being part of the steering group committee, it was a very positive experience. I felt that the clinicians really wanted to hear what the patient had to say, and as a result of all that, we seem to work more as a team now.
I remember just that absolutely almost ill feeling that how am I going to be able to participate and engage and talk about this illness, or about whatever the research was going to be about, because I knew nothing about it, and so it led me to something great, because it led by making that contact, and by writing to Professor Robinson, it got me involved in cognitive rehabilitation that a professor that was working with him was also working with the Alzheimer's Society of Ireland, and that was the first time that light came into my life. Now, if I had not made that contact, and I really want to get this home to people that are doing research, and how we feel, how the difficulties we can have, but the change that are made in my life, because all of a sudden there was a whole new life waiting for me to be an advocate for my illness that could never have happened if I didn't engage with research. But I will say it was a difficult decision for me to make.